Yeah. As always, we share knowledge. So since I'm on my break time from farming, I'm giving myself a week. So I decided to have fun. So I bought this thing. They call it what do you call this thing? Pedestal. So I'm just gonna be having fun since I'm taking a break from farming. Let's do some DIY. What? What do they call these things? Yeah, but they call it DIY the stores, man. So we're gonna be actually assembling this pedestal. So this is what's included. These are the screws that we're gonna be used, the cam, the pins, the dough, the legs. So yeah, everything, the tools that are required, Allen key, hammer, screwdriver. So I have a power screw that I'm gonna be using. And in here are the instruction of how you want to be connecting the whole thing. So we have top, sides, bottom, door, handle and everything. So yeah, I know you are on this channel because of I think it's gonna be the site. I know you're on this channel because of the knowledge that I share. Even this one is a knowledge that I'm deciding to share today. So I'm just having fun, guys. Just having fun. Is this the top or what? The side or the middle? Probably this one is gonna be in the middle. This one. Hey. Okay. If we can find two boards that are the same, I think it's this one and this one. It's our side. This will be our bag, obviously. It's the sheet that we normally put in the bag. So yeah, this is gonna be our side. They're gonna stand like this. Let's see what we have in here. The kind of screws we have. They call it assembling, chief. So in South Africa, we buy fully product and then we assemble them. This is what they call assembling. Cars come here and be assembled. Parts come from outside and be assembled. So this is our legs. And this is our handle, this is our door pin, and these are all the screws that we're gonna need to connect the whole thing. So yeah, if this is our door pins, it means this board over here is the door. So these pins will come here. This what are these things? They are the handles, not handles. What do they call these things? And then the handle will come here. So we have a door. Let's put the door aside. What else do we need? Okay, the side. Which one is going to be the bottom? Is this one? Or is going to be the top? The top and the bottom are mostly going to be the same. And this one is the middle one. So between this one and this one must be the bottom and one must be the top. But because this one has holes that go through, it should be the bottom, and then this one will be the top. I know what you are going to do. Now we have both of our side ready to connect with the top one. Oh no, we already put it this one.